Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Redio Hutan from Cavite, Philippines, a proud member and a 100 guider of MMM Philippines. Last November 17, 2015, I provided help amounting to 22,000 pesos for the MMM Mining Pro and another 9,000 pesos last November 19, 2015 for the MM Mining Premium. And last November 25, 2015, I requested help amounting to 67,900 pesos. These 67,900 pesos are composed of leader bonuses, referral bonuses, and my Magro Mining Premium and Pro. And I already received the whole amount yesterday, November 26, 2015. The assistance was given by three participants, namely Ziv, May, and Alexander Condada. To these three participants, thank you so much for providing your assistance to me. To our founder, Sir Sergi Mabrodi, thank you for creating this very wonderful community. Long live MMM, and together we change the world.